Welcome to Daily Bible Benefits. Today is Thursday, January 16th. On this day in 1919, the 18th Amendment to the U.S. Constitution prohibiting the manufacture, sale, or transportation of intoxicating liquors for beverage purposes is ratified by the states. Today on the podcast, Judas hangs himself. Matthew chapter 27, verses 3 to 10. Then Judas, which had betrayed him, when he saw that he was condemned, repented himself, and brought again the 30 pieces of silver to the chief priests and elders, saying, I have sinned in that I have betrayed the innocent blood. And they said, What is that to us? See thou to that. He cast down the pieces of silver in the temple, and departed, and went and hanged himself. And the chief priests took the silver pieces, and said, It is not lawful for to put them into the treasury, because it is the price of blood. And they took counsel, and bought with them the potter's field to bury strangers in, wherefore that field was called the field of blood unto this day. Then was fulfilled that which was spoken by Jeremy the prophet, saying, And they took the 30 pieces of silver, the price of him that was valued, whom they of the children of Israel did value, and gave them for the potter's field, as the Lord appointed me. Judas experienced regret, but did not seek true repentance or restoration with God. His story contrasts with Peter's denial of Jesus, where Peter repented and was forgiven. Judas' despair led to self-destruction, highlighting the need for hope in God's mercy, even after sin. No sin is beyond God's forgiveness when a person turns to Him with a repentant heart. But it did fulfill prophecy. The actions surrounding Judas' betrayal and the use of the silver fulfilled Old Testament prophecies, demonstrating the sovereignty of God. Thank you for tuning in to Daily Bible Benefits. Have a good and godly day.